Hey, happy 4th of July, Geoman K here. I'm at Ridgeland Baptist Church in Ridgeland, South Carolina, and I'm going to check out the fireworks display. Let's check it out. You can see I got my Buc-ee shirt on. Let's go popping. Got a lot of people out here. It's packed. We got the moon out. Snowballs over there.
This is the sound of the dry bones rattling. This is the praise make a dead man walk again. Open the grave, I'm coming out. I'm gonna live again. This is the sound of the dry bones rattling. Something new. You're not gonna run out of miracles anytime soon. Resurrection power runs in my veins too.
Got a nice little band here playing
I
tonight.
believe there's another miracle here in this room. Oh, this is the sound of the dry bones rattling. This is the praise make a dead man walk again. Open the grave, I'm coming out. I'm gonna live again. This is the sound of the dry bones rattling.
Just my children and my wife. I thank my lucky God to be living here today, 'cause the flag still stands for freedom and they can't take that away. And I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me. And I gladly stand up next to you and defend us still today. From Detroit down to Houston, and New York to LA, well, there's pride in everything that you want. It's time to stop it. Be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me. And I gladly stand next to you. I love this land. God bless the USA. All right, go ahead and turn your chairs around. Enjoy the fireworks show.
Hey, if you can see me, the fireworks are already started.
So proudly
Hey, Geo Man K again. Hey, I'm outside of Ridgeland Baptist Church. That was the fireworks display for 4th of July 2022. Hope you enjoy it. I'll catch you later. This is Geo Man K. I'm out here.
What is?
You're on camera.
Oh, hey!
Who are you?
I'm Joyce Pope.
Okay, that was Joyce Pope. Everybody,
Yeah, they know me.
happy 4th of July.